Good morning, children. Welcome back to social study class. So today we will learn about the Rowlatt Satyagraha. Now, what is Satyagraha? Satyagraha means a policy advocated by Mahatma Gandhi, and it means holding firmly onto truth. So it is the idea of fighting with peace. Okay. So let us learn the important concept of Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. How did it happen? Firstly, why this act? This act was implemented to curb the revolutionary activities that were going on at that time in India. Now the Britishers understand that after the World War I there is widespread unrest in India, and to suppress this unrest they need some special powers. So what shall Britishers do? They formed a committee under the presidency of Justice Rowlatt, and the purpose of this committee was to evaluate political terrorism in India, and they passed the Rowlatt Act. Now what happened was all the nationalist congress they supported Britishers during World War I. They thought that the Britishers will help them in self-rule and provide a lot of autonomy. So autonomy means the right or power to control or rule self. So, Gandhiji also requested the entire country to support so that they can help the Britishers in war. And Indian public also was expecting something in return. So, Indians supported Britishers during the World War I and expected political autonomy. They thought that they will be granted some reforms. But after World War I, the nationalist movement was crushed. The Britishers were harsher to the people after World War I and passed the Rowlatt Act in March 10, 1919. According to this law, any person will be imprisoned without trial and conviction, that is, without being proven guilty in a court. So they can be arrested without warrant. Strict control of press was there. Convicted persons were prohibited from taking part in political or religious activities. So obviously no one will like such an act which cut the foundation of freedom. And obviously people had to react. So there were a lot of Indian reaction. So it really frustrated Gandhiji, all the nationalists, and people also felt betrayed that they supported and died for the Britishers, and this is how they are repaying them. So Mahatma Gandhi led from the front and started reacting to this act and started Rowlatt Satyagraha against this act. Okay, so what happened is nationwide Hartal was organized on April 6, 1919. Now, what did the people do is whenever Gandhiji called them, they had to fast, they had to pray, and large number of people were arrested, and it became slightly violent in also some places. So Punjab was in explosive situation. Now what happened in Jallianwala Bagh? It is a garden in Amritsar, Punjab. The government became very offensive. So there were two prominent leaders were arrested in Punjab. So the people peacefully protested against these arrests, and thousands of people had gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar to protest against the Rowlatt Act on 13 April 1990, and it was the massacre day. Okay, so army had surrounded the entire park, and on the orders of General Dyer, light machine guns and tank were also brought. So can you imagine that there were just helpless women, children, and elder people? They had to gather for peaceful protest. So General Dyer blocked the only exiting point, and without warning the people, he just started open firing and killed hundreds of men, women, and children. With no means to escape, people ran for their lives. Some jumped into well and died in its depths. The entire country was shocked by this inhuman act of the Britishers. The nation stormed. They were angry, sad, and revengeful. Tagore returned his knighthood. Knighthood means the upadhi of Sir. So Gandhiji called off the movement because of violence was happening. So can you believe it that the British Parliament supported General Dyer? So the Jallianwala Bagh massacre considered as a tragedy. So I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.